Meet Leo. He is about to fail his final English exam tomorrow, unless a miracle happens tonight.
Yesterday, I is go to the park. Perfect.
But in this library, bad grammar doesn't just lower your grades. It summons monsters.
What is that?
Say hello to Grammar G, a phantom professor who hasn't slept in 300 years.
A ghost.
And he is absolutely disgusted by Leo's writing.
Did you just write, I is go? My spectral ears are bleeding.
I have tomorrow's exam paper. Pass my 3 grammar tests tonight, and it's yours. Fail, and you stay in this library forever.
Your time begins now.
The rules are simple. 3 challenges, 1 hour. If the sand runs out, Leo becomes a permanent resident of the library archives. Test number 1, the irregular past tense trap. 1 wrong letter, and it's game over.
Okay, it's in the past. Is it wind?
Careful, Leo. English verbs like to play by their own chaotic rules.
Choose wisely. Wind is a one-way ticket to my realm.
Remembering his 8th grade teacher's voice, Leo realizes the hidden pattern just in time.
It's an irregular verb. The answer is W-O-N.
Impressive! But you've only unlocked level 2, the Homophone Maze.
1 down, 2 to go. But level 2 is designed to break even the smartest students. Can Leo survive the maze? Welcome to level 2, the Homophone Maze. Words that sound identical, but 1 wrong turn trap you forever.
Whoa! The library just became a video game!
The ghost pet shadow is closing in. To escape, Leo must choose the correct path.
They both sound like there! Think, Leo, think!
5 minutes left on the clock, and the phantom professor is loving every second of the panic.
1 path is a contraction, 1 is possessive. Choose wrong and become a ghost.
Betting it all on apostrophes, Leo dives headfirst into the contraction.
They are equals D-H-A-R-E. Out of my way, Shadow!
He made it to the final room, but the hardest rule of all stands between Leo and his perfect grade. Will he unlock the final seal?
You survived the maze, but no student has ever passed the Punctuation Paradox.
The final test, the Punctuation Paradox. A single missing mark can completely change a sentence or end a life.
Wait!
Eat, Grandma? That's terrible!
Time is up. 1 comma saves a life. No comma traps Leo here forever.
Tick-tock, Leo. Is it dinner time for Grandma or graduation time for you?
With a flash of pure brilliance, Leo unleashes the power of the vocative comma.
Punctuation saves lives.
It's let's eat, Grandma.
The curse is broken. Leo has achieved what no 8th grader has ever done before. He made a grammar ghost proud.
Magnificent! You saved Grandma and you saved your grade. Take the paper, champion.
Leo aced his
Thanks,
exam,
Grammar G,
proving that
wherever you
sometimes
are.
a little late-night scare is exactly what it takes to get your tenses right. Halka say pause. If you want to ace your next challenge just like Leo, smash that subscribe button and click the next video on your screen right now.